Hi guys. I am going to keep this video under 5 minutes, I promise. I just wanted to um, address a couple things that I forgot to address or maybe was unclear about in my welcome video. So I hope that you're having a good first week. I hope that if you have any questions, you know that you can reach out to me and ask anything big or small about the course. Here's a couple things though, unless you've already figured them out on your own, which may be the case, that I did not address in the other video. This tab, Cisco WebEx, is how you can request to meet with me virtually if you want to. You can select a time. Now, the only thing about this is I'm making this video at 10 a.m. If you selected 10:15, it would send me an email and say, hey, so and so wants to meet with you. I may not check my email in the next 15 minutes, like maybe I'm in a meeting or something. So make sure to give me plenty of time, heads up. You can also select the date. Now, I will also give you this disclaimer. I had to just pick random office hours on Tuesday, Thursday, and that's my virtual days. I'm in person Monday, Wednesday if you ever want to meet in person, and I can meet virtually those days too. But I just had to pick random hours, and I picked those hours just to put something out there. But if these hours don't work for you, seriously, and there should be a Tuesday time too, so I need to figure that out. But seriously, just message me. I am at home on Tuesday, Thursday, and I can send you a link, and we can meet at a time that works with your schedule if you need clarification on anything. Okay, the second thing, announcements. I try to post an announcement every week, and it's just a summary of what you can expect to do for the week. So for this week, watch the videos, sign up for the homework, practice the homework, do the quiz if you have a quiz. Um, Also, and this is kind of when I tell you too, if anything's gone wonky. So in this case, your math lab selfie, this website's not working for some reason. This free tutoring success. I'm not sure what is going on with the link, but they've created a temporary link for you to use. So I do this every week. If you want to get a notification for the announcements and you're currently not getting one, you can click on your account and go to notifications and change the way you receive notifications. Okay, that tutoring. Homework, if you have any issues with homework, let me know. There is a free 14-day trial. I don't remember if I mentioned that in the other video, if you need time to pay for it. And there it is as well. I'm happy to help you. Don't wait until the last minute because I definitely want to make sure that you're able to practice this homework because this is what you will see on the tests. Okay, lastly, if you could take this survey for me, it is under week 1. If it doesn't pop up automatically, you can select this arrow. It takes about 3 to 5 minutes. This is not something that I will look at until the completion of the semester. Um, it's honestly just to help me and gauge how you feel about math at the beginning of the semester, and then we'll take it again at the end. So, thank you so much for your time. I promise I don't make all these videos all the time. I just want to make sure that you are having an easy transition to the course and everything in terms of expectations are clear and that you feel confident about what you need to do each week. So, have a great weekend. Thank you so much.